Welcome to another episode of Indian Cookery Podcast. Today we are going to talk about tandoor chicken, how to make tandoor chicken. Tandoor chicken is good for grilling. So basically you need chicken, 4 to 6 pieces, and then you got yogurt, plain yogurt, 1 cup, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon, ginger, fine chop, 1 teaspoon, garlic, also fine chop, 1 teaspoon, and then you have paprika powder, 1 teaspoon, garam masala to taste. Just sprinkle a little bit of garam masala and this. If you don't have garam masala, you can make your own garam masala with cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and peppercorns. Just crush it, make it a powder, and you have your garam masala. And then simple, easy, what you do is chicken, wash, strain and slit so that the marination goes inside the chicken. And then simple here, it's easy. Mix all these ingredients. It's cumin powder, ginger, garlic, paprika, garam masala. Mix all together with yogurt. Add salt and pepper to taste. And then marinate chicken. Marinate it for 6 hours. And you can also marinate it overnight. And then once it's ready, it is good for grilling. There's another thing where it's a good idea to, instead of having paprika powder, if you go to the Indian grocery store, you will get Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder. And that gives the red color and real good taste in it. So tandoor chicken, yogurt, cumin, ginger, garlic, paprika, garam masala. Mix it together with yogurt, marinate it, grill. Alright, we got plain yogurt here, and we got all the other ingredients right here. We got cumin powder, garam masala, paprika powder, turmeric, just a little bit, and salt, ginger and garlic. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix it up all together, and we have the chicken which I made slits so that all the marination goes inside and marinated. So here we have it, and right now I'm going to mix. Okay, we got all of them in here. Simple, just mix all of them together. Right, we got all the ingredients together. All you have to do is marinate the whole chicken with the spices and keep it overnight, and then once you're ready, it's all set to go, and then you can grill it or you can have it in the oven. So you just mix it up, make sure that all the ingredients are soaked in the chicken for, leave it aside in the fridge for 4 hours or 6 hours, and once you're ready, you can grill it or bake it. Okay, you have your marination all set to go. Now you preheat your oven to 350 or 400 degrees, and then You have your sheet, sprinkle some oil or apply some butter, and then place your marinated chicken on that, and then heat it up, and once every 5 minutes turn it around, and then apply a little bit of oil or sprinkle a little bit of oil on top, and then turn it around. The reason to do it is it doesn't stick and you get a brown, golden brown color once you turn it around. And after you're done, just you can use a little bit of lemon juice and chopped onions for garnish, also chopped cilantro. Okay, this is for traditional oven. You can use it like how you cook your steak or your hot dogs in your grill. You can use that one too. So let me know what you think. How did it come? Try it, and your feedbacks are very, very important to us. And thank you once again for joining Indian Cookery Podcast. This is Suresh. Thank you.